One is remote for CCT control. Receivers are separated as two zones. Press Z key to choose Zone 1 receiver to control. Off. On. CCT ring adjust color temperature. Mode key for CCT hotkey. Natural white, warm white, cool white. Long press brightness to gradualize dim down. Long press brightness plus to dim up. Press Z key to choose Zone 2. On-off and CCT adjust for Zone 2. Brightness dim down, dim up. Long press Z key until 4 zones all indicator lights on. Could control all zones lighting at same time. With excellent sync control function. Multi-PCs receivers could be sync controlled by one PC remote. Zone stores 3-4R DIY key. Could DIY CCT dimming on-off setting for zone, such as Zone DIY as Zone 1 warm white 80 brightness, Zone 2 cool white 50 brightness.